Hey friends, Gary here. So in the past I used to hate the Panasonic Lumix G100 Micro Four Thirds camera, this guy right here. But now after using it for a few weeks, I kinda changed my mind. Actually, it started to grow on me, and one particular reason of why the G100 starts to become my new favorite camera is because of this combo right here, the G100 together with the Panasonic Leica 9mm f1.7. And why is this combo so great? Let's find out in today's video. So first reason, I think this combo will be great for landscape photography. Oftentimes when you're doing landscape photography, you'll be doing vertical composition, and it's not always eye level. Sometimes you're doing it very low on the ground or very high so that you cannot really see what's going on the screen of your camera. It's difficult to compose to make sure everything is in focus. But luckily with the G100 we have the fully articulating screen, so even if you are doing weird angle and stuff like that, you can just articulate the screen so that you'll be able to see what's going on the screen. Also with this combo, the 9mm Panasonic Leica lens, I think the focal length is perfect for that classical wide angle landscape composition. It's just the focal length that you used to see on so many famous landscape photographs. Next, I think this combo will be great for travel photography. So the Lumix G100 is actually a very capable Micro Four Thirds camera body. It has fully articulating screen, as I mentioned before. It has EVF, it has great handling and also great controls, and also the image quality taken using this picture is just so good. And surprisingly, it is lightweight and compact. That's the ideal camera body for travel photography. When you're traveling, you want to make sure that your camera is capable and also not heavy and not too big, so that it can be nimble, but it can be reactive, responsive. It can capture images quickly and doesn't get in your way between you and your pictures. I think the G100 already solves that issue. And second thing is that the 9mm focal length, the Panasonic Leica 9mm f1.7 will be a great lens for travel. For me personally, travel photography will benefit more from wide angle rather than telephoto lenses, because with wide angle you can capture different unique perspectives that looks more intimate. So when you're taking pictures using wide angle lens, especially when you document your travel moments, you'll get that intimate perspective. It feels like the picture is telling more story, more context, and also it feels like you are there again, like what's happening on the picture. You start to experience those feelings and emotions again with wide angle pictures. I think that's very important, and yeah, this combo will deliver that. And also it is just a fun, nice, easy to use camera and lens together overall. 9mm is also quite a flexible focal length as well. I mean, yeah, it's a wide angle, but you can get close and don't get as much distortion compared to something wider, like for example 7mm or 8mm. Next, I think the G100 and 9mm combo is also great for vlogging. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm switching to my G100 and 9mm for this segment together with the Sennheiser MKE200 shotgun microphone, so I can demonstrate my point about vlogging. First of all, 9mm lens, I think it is wide enough to capture not only your beautiful face but also the beautiful environment around you. So it is actually quite flexible for vlogging. And then the G100 camera itself, I think it has plenty of features that are important for vlogging. For example, it has the microphone input jack so that you can get much better audio than just using the internal microphone of the camera, which isn't really that bad on the G100, but I still prefer to use an external microphone that is significantly better sounding. And then it has that fully articulating screen as well. And although the G100 doesn't have the mechanical in-body stabilizer. It still has an electronic stabilizer that, although doesn't work extremely well like on the action cameras or like a true mechanical gimbal, it can still provide some stability, especially if you're not moving too extremely, like you're running or walking really fast. By the way, if you wanna see more of my daily everyday life vlogging, which sometimes features the Panasonic Lumix G100 and this 9mm lens, you can check out the card above. I have a secondary channel dedicated specifically for daily vlogging. I think you will like that. We're just not talking about camera and lenses all the time, but also about daily lives. Next, I think the G100 and 9mm combo is also great for recording B-roll footages for your video. So here's the thing, there's a secret weapon with the Panasonic Lumix G100 that can make your 9mm wide-angle lens to become something more versatile, and that is the electronic stabilizer. Yes, when you turn on the electronic stabilizer of the G100 and set it to its highest setting, suddenly you can have a 9 to 14mm zoom lens on your Panasonic Leica 9mm, because the electronic stabilizer will crop the image so that you can punch in, zoom in into your footage a little bit more without losing too much in terms of image quality. I mean, that's like, wow, my mind is blown. So I already used this combo to record B-rolls, especially with the high electronic stabilization setting, and I got some good results. Let me share it with you right now and let me know what do you think. And that wraps up today's video about the G100 plus the Panasonic Leica 9mm f1.7 combo. So yeah, I've been having a lot of fun using this combo to take more pictures and to record more videos this last few days. And yeah, I hope that this video is inspiring, enjoyable, and also entertaining as well. The whole point of why I made this video is not because I want to push products to you. I'm not like, oh, come on, buy the G100, it's the best camera ever. Or buy the 9mm, it's the best micro four thirds wide angle lens whatsoever, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm not doing that. What I want you to do is to find a camera and a lens combination that you haven't used for a while and see if it works. Take it outside, take some pictures with it, or record some video with it, and just have fun doing photography. Just enjoy some photography time, and who knows, maybe it'll inspire you. Anyway, I wanna learn more from you guys. Let's have a little bit of a discussion on the comment down below. What is your favorite camera and lens combination for out and about photography or video, whether it's micro four thirds or other format? Let me know on the comments down below. I want to read your comments. Also, if you have any question, please comment down below as well. I will try my best to answer them. And don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And also, I have a new daily vlogging channel that you might want to check out. I will put the link also on the description below. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.